Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video we are looking at deals for the week of March the 29th to April the 4th over at Walgreens. We have some very inexpensive cleaner by S.C. Johnson, 99-cent Garnier, and some cheap Arm & Hammer detergent as well. Do I have your attention? First thing you're going to do is go to your digital coupons folder and see if you might have these boosters and start loading them away. We have a 10 back on 40 general merchandise, a 5 back when you buy 3 P&G bath care items, which are the Olay body wash, Old Spice, those good items. We also have a 4 back when you buy 4 P&G deodorants, so I'm guessing like Secret and Old Spice, and a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G merchandise. Typically when they run this one, it's spend 35 in store to get back either 10 or 7. So we'll have to wait and see what they do on Sunday morning. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, March the 29th. This is also a new month over there, so there's going to be a lot of new coupons, especially if you are into P&G, laundry care, dental care, those good products. We're going to get a lot of new coupons. Before we dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. So the first piece of business is using the code EGG15 for 15% off of a $35 basket, or EGG20 for a 20% off a $50 basket. That will be curbside only. And then again, as we were discussing, the spend 45 to earn back 15 online. That's how I specifically would do this deal. I think it's going to be great, and I think we'll be able to stack that deodorant. Hey, it's pictured, maybe it'll work. So we'll get some deodorant rocking and rolling in there and stack the two deals. We'll have to investigate that on Sunday morning. The deal that we're looking at is the 3 for $7.49 on the Arm & Hammer laundry care products. If you are tight for space, those pods are really easy to store. Grabbing 3 of them, it's going to be $7.49. On Sunday morning, we're going to have $1.50 off of 3. So after that coupon, it's $5.99 for the 3 laundry care products, or $1.99 per unit. We'll have to hang on to our receipts because maybe Ibotta might have a rebate for us. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. It is no problem. This is another great deal. It is the 88-cent Walgreens food storage bags, which is a really great price point. Typically, we get them for 93 cents, so a smidge of savings. Grabbing 6 of them, it's going to be $5.28. I would use a register reward or $5 in Walgreens cash just to stock up on these. It's just one of these products that we're getting so very cheap, cheaper than Dollar General or Dollar Tree. So I would definitely stock up for this price point. I think it's just absolutely fantastic. So this deal is back, the $4.49 Garnier Fructis with the 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Typically whole blends is a little bit more. And we're going to have a 3 off 2 digital, a $4 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of the Fructis for $8.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5.98, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2, or 99 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but 99 cents is not a bad price point for the Garnier shampoo. $5.49 for this variation of P&G laundry care. Right now it says dollar coupons, and that $2.50 off of the Downy rinse and the beads. Will it come back? Yes or no? I don't know, but I know that the coupons expired on Saturday the 28th. But if they usually give us $1 off of each item, so grabbing an assortment of the P&G laundry care, it's going to be $21.96. Subtracting $4 in manufacturers, you'd pay $17.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4, or $3.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but If the $2.50 or $2 coupons on the pods or that rinse start showing up, this possibly can be a better deal, and they've done it the last couple of months. Now, this is an interesting one. It's a buy two, get one for free on the cleaning and household products. Specifically, we're looking for the SC Johnson products like Scrubbing Bubbles, Windex, Shout. If you can find 3 items that are part of the buy two, get one for free, go over to your Ibotta, and those $1.25 rebates, make sure that they're activated, and I would grab one of each at $1.25, so that'll be $3.75 back with that. I did take the liberties to look up some of these products, and they're anywhere between $4.79 or $4.99 for the SC Johnson cleaning products. So grabbing 3 of those, $9.78. And remember, you're getting one of them for free, so it's basically 2 products around that $4.99 or $79 mark. You're going to photograph your receipt to Ibotta for $3.75 back, plus you're going to get a $1 bonus, making it $5.03 for the 3 or $1.67 per SC Johnson cleaner. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is a really good deal with Ibotta. We're going to put some Pampers into that spend 45 to earn back 15. This is probably the diaper deal of the week. 3 for $16 on the Walgreens generic diapers, and makes it basically $5.33 per bag of 32. This is definitely a great stock up price. If your little one likes the Walgreens brand, I think for the value, it's really fantastic. Burt's Bees, 20% off of the lip products, $2 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of the lip balms, that would be $5.59 with 20% off, getting back a $2 register reward. It is $3.59 for the 2 or $1.79 per unit. It basically makes it like BOGO free. Hang on to your receipt in case Ibotta might have a rebate as the week marches on for this product. But if you like to gift these for Easter, it's not a bad little deal. We also have the Maybelline. We're thinking lip products again because I love to gift that around Easter. Buy one, get one 50% off, and baby lips if it is in fact included. Grabbing 2 of those, it'll be $10.48. Subtracting the 5 off 2, you're paying $5.48 for 2 or $2.74 per unit. Burt's Bees a bit cheaper. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, we have the $3.50 Crester Oral-B dental care products, $5 reward when you purchase 3, and a 5 off 3 digital coupon. New month, so I'm assuming everybody will get this. So grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be $10.50. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another deal that I absolutely love is the $6 fancy Colgate paste and brush if we have a $3 off of each. $5 reward when you purchase 2. Again, this is a new month, so new coupons. 2 of the Colgate Fancies, the fancy paste and the fancy brush, that's $12. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, you're paying $6. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. Hopefully that's a 3 off of each, not a 3 off of 2. Then that'll be a different story. We'll have to investigate on Sunday. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but what a deal. We're going to go quickly through the honorable mentions. The first one goes to the Head and Shoulders. See how it says up to $10? Is that a typo, or is it going to be a 10 off of 2 of those $13 shampoos? If that's the case, I know Fetch has a really big rebate for Head and Shoulders. Wouldn't that be nice? 2 off of 2 for the Scott. So the cheapy $5 packs, if that is in fact attaching, we are going to be cooking with gas for a deal on paper next week for this. So you'll have to wait till Sunday till we figure that out. And also we have the Walgreens bathroom or paper towel, and that paper towel, for whatever reason, I like it so much more than Scott. We have a $1.50 off coupon, so it'll make each bag $3.50. Yes, we're going to be looking at deals for that one. And lots of these medical products like the pills and Excedrin, they are on clearance depending what your store has. $5 Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Maybe that'll trigger. And with that, a lot of this incontinence stuff, is also on clearance. So with that 6 off of 2, possibly you can get a lot of this very, very cheap. There's also a spend 45 to earn back 10 reward on these products. And buy 2 get 1 for free on the Canada Dry 7-Up, and a buy 2 get 1 for free on the Pepsi products. So if you need to stock up on these drinks, it's definitely the week to do it. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.